Yes, 7-6 ang bilang natin. Coronel bumps up. Pushed up high by Van Sickle, hindi umabot. And here we go with this serve by Deloria. Excellent pass. Deloria gets it to Biden. It's a 2-point lead for Galleries. By Duncan. Pasalubong ng Biden. After we were tied at 7, it's 3 straight points by Galleries, getting a good run going here. Brooke Van Sickle. Difficult pass on the first ball. It's now a 4-point lead. Regalo. Unopened.
Wow.
Yes!
Deloria. Fast set.
Ganda magbasa ni Julia.
Ay, si Pascual pa pala yun.
Ganda ng basa ni Julia. Coronel. Out of reach. And we are at the technical timeout.
Nung college.
Oh, naman. 4-2 ang ating bilang. Madiin yung palo. Van Sickle kept in play. That is blocked.
Oh my goodness. Hindi ko, ayoko rin paluin.
Di ba? Yung alangan. Kumpara sa galing toss.
Yes.
Galing sa set.
Perfect set.
Deloria getting it back.
Using the hands there. The next set communion block. Parang mas ginagawa niyang slippery her attacks. Kasi nga
gumanda tuloy yung distribution ni Tolentino. Di ba? Yung pwede siya mag-swing left, swing right. Or even in the middle with Van Sickle. Deloria. Kick high by Makaslang. And look at Abby trying to keep it in play.
Net here. Makaslang ko rin control that.
That's Mona Bugatsing on the bench of
Chameleons.
Of the Chameleons. In the meantime, the red hot strike by Deloria, who has now hit double figures with 10. De Guzman. Drop. Sliding to the floor is Tempiatura. Van Sickle tosses it over. Swing. Deloria denied. Assis makes it a set. And it's brushed against the block by Deloria.
The blocking is there for the Chameleons. You have to really be smarter with your attacks like Pascual here.
The high risers tonight.
There you
Look
go.
at those. Versosa keeping it in play. No whistle. You got to play on. Brooke and company thought the point was over. There's no whistle. Deloria just keeps you in a good place. Maraming spiker who are converted into setters, and that's out of reach.
The Galleries now.
Down the count is 7 for the Galleries.
Permanently is in.
10-6 count. De Guzman shoots to the back row. Kept in play. Van Sickle. It's handled well. Back row attack! And in the meantime, Deloria. Erica serve.
I can see that it's a challenge si Deloria here to get an attack point.
Check ball.
Yeah, block touch.
Yeah.